I tried to profit opening Pokemon card packs, and to say the least, the results were interesting. I've been in the Pokemon space for a long time and have actually developed a little bit of a hatred for opening Pokemon packs. No, that might alarm you a little bit. I'll go ahead and explain that in a little bit, but opening Pokemon packs is an essential part of the hobby. People do it, they love the cards they pull, they want the new alternate arts that look really cool from all these different sets, and I've had many people in my Discord server for the Lab TCG or in the comments ask me, is opening sealed product actually profitable? And today we're going to answer that question. I'm going to give you a little bit of context as to why I don't like opening Pokemon cards, why I don't do it for my business. We're going to talk about the steps that I did to open 100 Brilliant Stars booster packs, my results. We're going to go over the fees, the profit, all of that stuff in today's video. So without further ado, be sure to hit the like, comment, subscribe for me, and let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be opening 100 Brilliant Stars Pokemon packs to prove if it's worth unboxing Pokemon cards packs for money. So I have a lot of Brilliant Stars, basically. So about 3 weeks ago, I decided, you know what, I'm going to finally put this to the test. So I had gotten some V Striker tins from my distributors. These were the Empoleon V and Tyranitar V tins. Each of them had 5 booster packs in them. There were 3 Evolving Skies booster packs and 2 Brilliant Stars booster packs. Originally, I was going to do this with Evolving Skies, but once I saw the price of Evolving Skies booster packs, I decided Brilliant Stars would do for now. So I decided to open 100 Brilliant Stars booster packs. My cost on these is about $3.40 per, based on the distribution price that was given to me through these packs. We'll go ahead and get into that later in the video. But going into this with $340, I had a feeling I was going to lose money, but I wanted to try this out, make a video about it, and talk about whether or not it's profitable to even do this. Pack number 1. Not going to do a card trick. We're just going to get going. So with that being said, I went ahead, got all my packs together, and tried to open some packs. I'm starting to realize I am very bad at opening packs. Alcremie from the Trainer Gallery and Empoleon Hollow. So now that I'm opening these packs, I'm going through and I'm already getting a little bit nervous. Now, this is where I want to kind of bring in my story of this. I used to be a competitive Pokemon player. I would travel around to various events, and when you would place at these tournaments, you would end up getting prize packs. After opening so many prize packs, plus I also ran a business online at the time where I would buy products from wholesalers and then open the packs themselves. After opening hundreds and hundreds of packs, I kind of lost that joy for opening packs. I was kind of hoping that this exercise would, 1, show me that it is profitable to open in packs, because that could be cool, and 2, maybe it would reignite my flame for opening packs. Well, that kind of happened when this occurred. Alright, Chimecho, Chimchar, Impidimp, Magmar, Electivire, and woohoo! Gold Ultra Ball! If you guys know, the common Ultra Ball is worth a ton, and that is sick. Gold Ultra Ball, very, very good in the competitive game. That is absolutely a stunning card. So now we've got the juices flowing. We've pulled a Gold Ultra Ball, one of the greatest cards in the competitive game to ever be printed. Ultra Ball is a complete staple. It's a really great card, and I was starting to feel a little excited. You know, we're a couple packs in. I've already pulled a secret rare card. Now we just need to hit a few of those alternate art cards, maybe an Arceus V-Star or something like that, that could boost up the amount of money that we need to make back. Now, here's the problem with all this. When you're opening Pokemon packs, you already have a fixed cost investment into that. With this, it's about $340. When you spend that amount of money on Pokemon booster packs, you then need to try and exceed that amount if you are going to try and profit. Remember, making anything under that $340 investment is not going to be a profit, it's going to be a net loss. Now, in this instance, we need to pull enough cards to make up the value being over $340. But additionally, as a seller, I sell on TCG Player and eBay and different types of marketplaces. So although we could pull $340 in value, we also need to associate any shipping cost or sleeves, like materials. We need to factor in the fees that are on these sites, because TCG Player is taking a fee every time you sell something. So when you start to add up all these costs, you can start to see how it's possible, if you don't really pull those good cards, you're going to start to see your profit margins dwindle. But that's okay, because as I kept opening these packs, we ended up pulling this. Alright, we got Mincino, Baltoy, Snorunt, Nosepass, Dedenne. Ooh! Oh wait, is this an alt-art? It is! I think. Umbreon VMAX. Secret... Wait, what is this? Trainer Gallery. Very, very nice. Very nice. That is a sick card. Huge pull. That is super, super cool. Umbreon VMAX. Oh, what the... Wait, oh! I didn't even know you could do that! Okay! So that pack's insane. We got 2 hits, Shaman V and Umbreon VMAX. We have Grimer, Clefairy, Bidoof, Electabuzz, Hawlucha, Druddigon. Oh! Yo! Now, after pulling not one, but two Galarian Moltres V, I was feeling pretty good. I figured, you know what? We still have a couple, 50 packs to get through, and we're probably going to pull some absolute fire, and we will, no problem, start to make this money back. But as I started to continue opening the packs, that hope started to dwindle, as each pack was just a holo rare or a bulk common uncommon card, or nothing that was going to really get us over that benchmark. So we had been accumulating value out of some of these cards, and nothing was really starting to hit. At this point, I was getting wasn't super happy with the experiment. I figured we were going to lose money, and then I actually pulled this. Like a couple Charizard V-Stars that go crazy. Grimer, Halucha, Weasel, Gibble, Sneasel. Ooh! Arceus V alternate art. Now, that's what we're talking about. This is the type of stuff that we're looking for. So boom, we've pulled an Arceus V alternate art, and at the time of recording this was about a $46 card. So I was pretty jazzed. We pulled a very expensive card, but then we finished the packs. I was done opening packs, and I had opened all 100 packs. We would need a banger here for this to work out. So let me remove the code card. Let's see. Oh, I feel like this is gonna hurt. Grass Energy, Probopass, Team Yell's Cheer, Cincino, Cherubi, Sock, Corfish, Golett, Chimecho, Orgum. Oh, no. Now, there was no way that I pulled $340 worth of value out of these packs. Even if we were to add in the bulk and the code cards and the holo rares, it just wasn't happening. So to do a full breakdown, I wanted to break out all the numbers and talk about how much I would be selling these cards for and what our profit loss would look like. So I'm going to go ahead and look to the right of me, look at some of these numbers here. But in total, we had 342 cards that I would consider hits. Now, these are anything from V cards that would be selling for like $1, maybe $2 on TCG Player Direct, all the way up to that Arceus V the Arceus V alternate art at the $46 price tag. And, in between we had the Galarian Moltres and the Umbreon VMAX, other things like that are great cards. But when we start to look at this fee structure, this is what the numbers came down to. So the direct low total for all the cards that I would consider worth selling on TCG Player individually came to $243.49. So you can already see the issue here. We're under the $340, and that was just for the 34 cards that I would consider a hit. Now, the fees on this, TCG Player Direct has a different fee structure than TCG Player's regular marketplace selling account, and your mileage may vary depending on eBay or the platform that you're using. But for TCG Player Direct, I went through and calculated what the numbers would be. Basically, any card that's under $3, they just market at 50% of the value instead of charging you all this postage and stuff. But anything that's over the $3, there are postage charge and TCG Player fees, which I'm not going to go too far into, but I'll give you the numbers of what it would be. So the total fees on that is going to come to $39.88. Then the total shipping cost was then going to come to $37.77. So now we have minus $37.70. We have minus the $39.88, and then you need to ship those cards to TCG Player Direct, which I'm just going to do a blanket $8. Usually you team bag up these cards and then you send them all to TCG Player Direct. So that's just leaving us with a total profit of $157.84. But that's not profit because we spent $340 to get there. But don't worry, there's a few other things we can add in. So we can also add in the holo bulk, which I buy bulk at my website, thelabtcg.com, for 7 cents per holo or reverse holo card. So at 113 reverse holos and holos, the total comes to $7.91. Then 100 code cards, I'm going to put these at 6 cents. They're selling on TCG Player for that right now. It's going to come to about $6. And then for the 892 regular bulk cards that I buy at a penny and a half, we'll call that $13.38. So taking the profit of before of $157.84, adding those numbers with the bulk to it, we're now at $185.12. So yikes. So $185.12. Let's take the scenario that I've already outlined. If you had put $3.40 into every pack that you were paying for, this would net you a net loss of $150.87. So yikes, we've already lost money. Now, not everyone has a wholesaler account. So let's just say you were able to get these packs at $4 per pack. You would then have a net loss of $214.80. And this is after you went through and sold every single one of the cards that I would consider a hit. So let's try and answer this question in summary here. Is it worth it to open Pokemon product for profit? Well, this is going to depend on the set. It's going to depend on your luck, really, because at the end of the day, opening Pokemon packs is gambling. I'm sure you guys have seen tons of videos out there of people pulling Umbreon VMAXs or other high rarity cards where if you just bought a tin for 20 bucks and you pull this super secret rare card and it's paying for 10 times the price of the tin, then yeah, technically you did profit. But one of the reasons that I don't do this in my business is the amount of effort and time it takes to, one, break down all of these packs and then find all the cards that are worth selling, then go and list all these cards and then see results like this where you open 100 packs, your sample size is relatively large, and you're still not making up the money that it costs to incur opening the packs. For me, it's just not something that I like to do. Now, that being said, I don't want to push this off as opening packs is a bad thing, because opening packs is a ton of fun and it's a part of the hobby. So if you do enjoy opening packs, I would suggest that you open packs for fun, but instead of commenting is sealed product profitable or something, maybe take a look at this video and decide for yourself, do you want to open packs and then incur the costs of those cards, ship all those cards to then lose money on Pokemon cards? So that's going to be the conclusion of this video. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next video. See you guys.